What if your placement preparation felt less stressful and more like having a personal mentor? Confusion over what to study. I don't even know which topics I should focus on for the company interviews. There's too much. Gradious to the rescue. I've got you covered. Here's a structured learning path with industry-relevant topics, updated regularly for top tech companies. Lack of practice. I've read the theory, but I have zero idea how to practice coding in a real interview setting. Gradious helps again. Jump into our cloud-based coding sandbox. Mock tests, company-specific patterns, and AI interview bots are ready for you anytime. No guidance, no feedback. I never know if I'm improving or just wasting time. Gradious saves the day. Your progress is tracked in real time. Get instant feedback, performance reports, and expert mentorship to guide your next steps. With Gradious Leap, it's like having your own tech coach, 24/7. Struggling with placement prep? Save it and share it with someone who is preparing for placement.